Sometimes you just want a quick bite to eat. And this is where ramen noodles come in. This is only 190 calories per serving. And let's open it up. It comes in 12 of these easy to open packages. And let me show you a close-up. This is beef flavor, but they come in a variety of other flavors as well. And each bag is 2 servings per container. This is also made in the USA. Now let's boil a pot. Okay, now what we're gonna need is 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. And after it's done boiling, we're going to add our noodles as well as the seasoning packet. Water's boiling. Now to add the noodles and have it cook for 3 more minutes. After a few minutes, we decided to keep it on a little bit longer. It absorbs the noodles and makes them really large and squishy. And I just love this. So now we're gonna add some of our seasoning. And you don't have to put all of it. I'm just gonna put about half. And I'm going to mix it all up. Ooh, that looks so good. Let's see how it's gonna taste. Yum, yum. See how it's all uniform in color? That means it's all mixed evenly. And now we're ready to serve. Now we're gonna grab our chopsticks and we are ready to go. Since we left it on a little longer, the soup became noodles and I really like it this way. So let's try it out and see how it tastes. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Delicious. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.